How can I create saved searches?
That'll be done in the search manager. Once it opens up, you'll see a few different options up top. The most important one would be include family members. That means if you're doing a search, whether it's keywords or metadata or date ranges, if any one of those documents in that family gets a hit, meaning if there's an email, it's got two Word attachments and one PDF, if any one of those four documents gets a hit, then all four of those will be included in the save search. If you uncheck it, then only the document that actually gets that exact hit would be in there. Most of the time, people do use include family members. And then from here, you can see the different filters that we have. There's also some quick filters you see right above it. If you want to do text by different folders, family main date, doc ID, and so on. Or from the drop down, it actually has all the different metadata, codes, keywords, folders, searches that you can do. So let's just say you wanted to do a text for keywords. So you could type in the keywords there. If you wanted to add another filter to that, you could do by folder. So now it's only going to search in the work folders. You could even add another one, add as many as you want. And then you can see over here, it has the different operators. Just be real careful that you have the operator that you want selected, whether it's and or. And then you could also just add another group to those three filters above. Once you have those all populated, then you can go into the select a folder. From here, once the search is created, you'll select the folder that you want to place that search in, hit OK, and then you can name it whatever you want. And then once the search is created, it will be called that name and it'll be in that folder. Just go ahead and hit save and search, and that will create the view for you.